In this video, I will show you how to allow Steam to access the camera on your mobile phone. First, unlock your phone and go to your phone settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Apps or App Manager. Tap on it to open the list of all installed apps on your phone. Now, scroll through the list and look for the Steam app. Once you find Steam, tap on it to open the app settings page. Inside the Steam app settings, look for an option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see what Steam is allowed to access on your phone. In the Permissions list, find the Camera permission. Tap on Camera to open its settings. If the camera permission is set to Deny or Not Allowed, Steam will not be able to use your camera. Change the camera permission to Allow. You may see options like Allow Only while using the app or Always Allow. Choose the option that allows camera access. After allowing the camera permission, go back to your home screen and open the Steam app again. Steam should now have access to your camera, and the camera feature should be available. That is it. Thanks for watching.